Connecting your Samsung system air conditioner, Wi-Fi kit, to SmartThings for iPhone users. Make sure your Wi-Fi router and air conditioner are both turned on. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to check if Wi-Fi is enabled. If Wi-Fi is disabled, tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it on. Close the panel and then open the SmartThings app. On the Devices tab, tap Add in the top right corner. Tap Scan under Scan QR code and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your air conditioner. SmartThings app QR codes may vary by product, so please refer to the illustration. If you want to select the product from the list instead, tap Air Conditioner below. Tap Samsung, and then tap System Air Conditioner, Wi-Fi Kit. Tap Start. Press and hold the AP button on the product for at least 3 seconds, and then release it. The AP indicator will turn on to let you know it's ready to connect. SmartThings will begin connecting the air conditioner to your phone. Place your phone close to the air conditioner for a few seconds. Tap Next. Tap OK when the pop-up window appears. To connect the product and iPhone, navigate to your iPhone's Wi-Fi settings and select the network that starts with the phrase displayed on the screen. The password is 1 entered 5 times, followed by 2 entered 5 times. Then, tap Join. After checking the connection with the product, check the SmartThings app. The connection will begin automatically. Next, connect the air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network. Select the Wi-Fi network you are using and enter your Wi-Fi password. Tap Next. Your Wi-Fi information will be sent to the air conditioner. The air conditioner will be registered to your Samsung account. The connection will be complete. You can rename your air conditioner if desired. Tap Done. Next, you will see the air conditioner screen. Tap back, and then check that the air conditioner has been added to the SmartThings home screen.